Hey, Masmin from Memberstack here, and welcome to Memberscript 155. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bulk update your Memberstack users Stripe subscriptions using Make. So first things first, let me show you how that looks like when it's done. So I've got this Make scenario that loops through all of your Memberstack members and checks their subscription and automatically updates them. As you can see, these members, so if I just go to Stripe over here, I have a member that is on a starter plan, and say I wanted to bulk update all of my members that are on the starter plan to the pro plan. So all of my members on this plan to moving them to the pro plan. I would simply just run this Make scenario over here. And you can see that my member was currently updated. Right. This is super useful if you've changed your pricing and launched a new plan, or just need to move a bunch of users to a new price ID without doing it manually or one by one. So if you're watching this on YouTube, the link to this Make scenario should be in the description, so you can easily grab it from there. And if you're watching this from the Memberstack site, then you should have already seen this Make scenario. So just back in Make over here, I'll walk you through the scenario and how it works. So firstly, we have a Memberstack module that lists all the members from Memberstack. And this grabs every member in your site so you can check who needs a subscription update. Next, we will have an iterator that takes the list of members and splits them up so that we can process them one at a time. These two models, you do not have to focus as much on these, but this is where the magic happens. So now we have a Stripe API model that will grab each member's subscriptions, and you can filter this model over here by the customer's ID if you just wanted to update a specific member. And then next we have an iterator again, which will handle each subscription from the previous model individually. Now over here we have a filter. So what we're saying here is that we want to filter all of the members that are currently on the starter plan. So all of the members that are currently on this plan over here. So we can get our price ID from here. So we want to filter all of the members on this plan in order to update them to the new plan, so that we do not accidentally grab any other members that are not on this plan. Okay. And then we have another Stripe API call. And this one is so that we update their subscription by sending a post request to Stripe. In the query parameters over here, the first one is the item ID we got from the GET request, the first API call request we made. And then the second one is the price, the new price ID that we want to move them to. In this case, we want to move them to the pro plan. This price ID, you can retrieve it from Stripe. So over here, just going back to Stripe, I have a pro plan. So in my product catalog, I have a pro plan, and this is the price ID I now want to migrate users to. Okay, so I grab that and then I paste it over here. So with this scenario, I'm saying all of the members currently on the starter plan over here, I now want to update them to here. I want to update them to the pro plan here. Okay. And then Stripe handles this update instantly, and the members billing continues uninterrupted. If I just go back to Stripe under customers and just refresh this page, since I ran this scenario to update a customer from starter to pro, I should see that the customer was now updated to pro, and their events history over here, their recent activity, will also show that this customer was previously on the starter plan, and now they've been updated to the pro plan, and their billing and their invoices will continue as normal. Okay. Fifth, we have back to Make. We have the second last model over here, where you now retrieve all of the customers that have been updated. You now retrieve all of the customers that have been updated and send them an email notification notifying them that they've been updated. And you can send them an email notification with this model. So this email, we grab it from the Stripe API call over here that we made to get the customer's route updated, and you get the email address over here. And you can customize the subject and the content that you'd like to send out to your users. And that's it. Once this is set up, you can run it manually, on schedule, or trigger it however you want. It's a huge time saver for migrations or rebrands or bulk pricing changes. Don't forget to check the description for the link to this scenario. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the Slack 2.0 channel. Bye.